Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to wake up to money appearing in your bank account overnight? Not from some get-rich-quick scheme or cryptocurrency gamble, but from AI tools working tirelessly while you sleep, creating real value and generating actual income. Well, today I'm going to show you 3 legitimate AI tools that thousands of people are already using to build passive income streams that literally make money around the clock. And before you think this is another one of those too good to be true videos, let me be completely honest with you. These aren't magic money machines that require zero effort. They do require some initial setup and strategic thinking, but once they're running, they can generate income with minimal daily intervention. I've personally tested each of these tools, and I'll share real examples of people making anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars monthly using them. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have 3 concrete strategies you can implement starting today, and I'll even show you which one beginners should start with first. Let's dive into the first AI moneymaker that's revolutionizing how people approach content creation and monetization. The first tool is an AI-powered content generation system that creates and manages social media accounts across multiple platforms simultaneously. Think about this for a second. Social media influencers make money through brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, and selling their own products. But most people don't become influencers because creating consistent, engaging content every single day is exhausting and time-consuming. This is where AI changes everything. These tools can analyze trending topics in any niche, generate relevant posts, create engaging captions, schedule content across platforms, and even respond to comments in a natural, human-like way. The AI studies successful posts in your chosen niche and creates similar content that's likely to perform well. Here's how people are monetizing this. Once your AI-managed accounts start gaining followers and engagement, you can monetize through affiliate marketing. The AI can naturally weave product recommendations into posts, and when people click those links and make purchases, you earn commissions. Some users report earning between $300 to $1,500 monthly per account after just a few months of consistent AI-generated content. But here's the key insight most people miss. The real money isn't in managing one account. It's in scaling to multiple accounts across different niches. Imagine having AI manage 10 different Instagram accounts, each focused on different topics like fitness, cooking, personal finance, or home decoration. Each account operates independently, building its own audience and generating its own revenue stream. The beauty of this approach is that once you've set up the AI parameters and monetization strategies, the system runs largely on autopilot. You might spend 30 minutes each morning reviewing the AI's planned posts and making minor adjustments, but the heavy lifting of content creation, posting, and even basic audience engagement happens automatically. Now let's talk about the second AI tool that's creating millionaires while they sleep. And this one might surprise you because it's happening in a space most people completely overlook. The second money-making AI tool focuses on automated e-commerce optimization and customer service. Online stores lose billions of dollars annually due to abandoned shopping carts, poor customer service response times, and suboptimal product recommendations. AI tools now exist that can plug into existing e-commerce platforms and dramatically increase conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Here's how this works in practice. The AI analyzes customer behavior patterns on e-commerce websites, identifies exactly when and why customers abandon their carts, and then automatically implements solutions. It might adjust product descriptions, modify pricing displays, send personalized recovery emails, or even offer strategic discounts at precisely the right moment to convert hesitant browsers into buyers. But the real money-making opportunity isn't just for store owners. Savvy entrepreneurs are offering these AI optimization services to small and medium-sized online businesses. They set up the AI tools, configure them for maximum effectiveness, and then charge either monthly fees or take a percentage of the increased revenue they generate. Think about this business model. A small online store might be doing $50,000 in monthly sales, but losing $20,000 in potential revenue due to cart abandonment and poor optimization. You implement AI tools that recover just half of that lost revenue, bringing them an additional $10,000 monthly. Charging them $2,000 monthly for this service is an absolute no-brainer for the store owner, and incredibly profitable for you. The most successful people using this strategy aren't technical experts. They're simply good at identifying online stores that could benefit from AI optimization and then implementing proven AI solutions. Many of these tools require minimal technical knowledge to set up, but they deliver sophisticated optimization that can increase a store's revenue by 20 to 50%. Some entrepreneurs using this model report earning between $5,000 to $20,000 monthly by managing AI optimization for just 5 to 10 clients. The beautiful part is that once the AI is properly configured for a client, it requires minimal ongoing maintenance while continuously generating results. But here's where it gets really interesting. The third AI tool combines elements of both previous strategies but operates in a completely different market that most people never consider. The third AI moneymaker operates in the digital asset creation space, specifically generating and selling AI-created digital products that people actually want to buy. We're not talking about generic AI art that floods the market. We're talking about solving specific problems for specific audiences using AI's ability to create customized solutions at scale. Here's a perfect example. Small business owners constantly need marketing materials. They need social media graphics, email templates, website banners, logo variations, business card designs, and promotional materials. Traditionally, they'd either spend hours creating these themselves or pay designers hundreds or thousands of dollars. AI tools can now generate professional quality marketing materials in minutes. But here's the twist that makes this profitable. Instead of selling individual designs, successful entrepreneurs are creating AI-powered systems that generate entire marketing suites customized for specific industries. For instance, you might create an AI system that generates complete marketing packages for restaurants. Input the restaurant's name, colors, and basic information, and the AI produces 50 different social media posts, 10 email templates, business card designs, menu layouts, and promotional flyers, all perfectly coordinated and ready to use. You can sell these industry-specific marketing suites for anywhere from $99 to $499 each. The AI can generate a complete package in under an hour, but the value to the business owner is worth thousands of dollars compared to hiring individual designers. The scalability is incredible because once you've trained the AI for one industry, you can quickly adapt it for dozens of other industries. Restaurants, fitness trainers, real estate agents, consultants, retail stores, service businesses. Every industry needs marketing materials, and every industry has specific needs that AI can learn to address. People using this strategy often start by focusing on one industry, perfecting their AI-generated offerings, and building a reputation. Then they expand to multiple industries, essentially creating dozens of different passive income streams. Some report earning between $2,000 to $10,000 monthly after 6 months of building and refining their AI-generated product suites. Now, if you're wondering which of these 3 strategies you should start with first, here's my recommendation based on your experience level and available time. If you're completely new to AI and want to start with the lowest barrier to entry, begin with the social media content generation strategy. It requires minimal upfront investment, and you can start seeing results within weeks. Focus on one niche you're genuinely interested in, set up one account, and perfect the process before scaling. If you have some technical comfort and want to pursue higher value opportunities, consider the e-commerce optimization route. The earning potential is higher, but you'll need to develop skills in identifying good prospects and presenting your services professionally. For those with creative inclinations and an entrepreneurial mindset, the digital asset creation strategy offers the best long-term scalability and passive income potential. But here's the most important thing I want you to understand. These AI tools aren't magic solutions that require zero effort. They're powerful accelerators that can amplify your efforts and create systems that generate income with minimal daily involvement. Success requires initial setup, learning, testing, and optimization. The people making serious money with these tools treat them as legitimate business opportunities, not get-rich-quick schemes. They invest time upfront to understand the tools, identify their target markets, and create systems that deliver real value to real people. The AI revolution is just beginning, and we're in the early stages where massive opportunities exist for people willing to learn and act. But these opportunities won't last forever. As more people discover these tools and markets become saturated, the early movers will have significant advantages. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these 3 strategies that resonates most with your interests and skills. Spend the next week researching the specific AI tools available in that space. Many offer free trials or low-cost entry points that let you test their capabilities without major financial risk. Then commit to spending 30 days implementing and testing your chosen strategy. Document what works, what doesn't, and how you can optimize your approach. I guarantee that if you approach this with genuine effort and consistency, you'll be amazed at what's possible. The future belongs to people who can effectively collaborate with AI to create value and solve problems. These three strategies are just the beginning of what's possible when you combine human creativity and strategic thinking with AI's incredible capabilities. Your future self will thank you for taking action today instead of just watching and waiting. So, which strategy will you choose? And if you want to finally stop procrastinating and laser focus on your business, I have a solution for you. I built the Daily Success audio system to rewire your brain for wealth and productivity. Link below if you want to try it. And don't forget to subscribe for more money and mindset content. I see you in the next video.